I think trading is a very, very difficult thing to do, right? To do it consistently and successfully. That's why so little people do it. Now, it is very possible, but I think one of the biggest factors that ruins people from getting to where they want to be is not being kind to themselves, not being kind to their health, to their mental health, and really, really being their own worst enemy. Realistically, there's no one stopping you from being successful other than yourself, whether you believe it or not. A lot of people don't believe themselves. A lot of people have a lot of negative self-talk that they keep pushing into themselves, and a lot of people don't change how they actually approach the market, their journals, their trades, their activity, and constantly think they can't do it and can't do it and can't do it. The only reason that they can't is that's what they believe at that time, rather than looking at the information that they have at face value and trying to better themselves by actually changing their habits, getting more disciplined, and being a bit kinder to yourself. Because, you know, if you don't have anyone to talk to, it can be very lonely. If you don't have people to support you, it can be very lonely. That's why we have a fantastic open free community at TRADEPRO Academy that you guys can check out, community.tradeproacademy.com. But just remember, if you miss a trade, if you take a loss, treat it as one individual trade at a time, right? These things don't define you as a person. You shouldn't belittle yourself about them. And the opportunities are endless in trading, right? You just have to understand that it is going to be difficult. There's going to be ups and downs, but that doesn't really mean that you're XYZ of a bad person or a bad trader, or bad this, bad that. You can get out of those ruts, right? If you need anyone to talk to, we're here at TRADEPRO Academy. So I'll see you guys on the other side.